Hello everyone, I'm back with a new video based on WordPress. So we'll cover in this video what is WordPress and what are the functionalities and features of WordPress. So let's dive into it without wasting time. So let's go. So it's a login screen for WordPress, which is our backend. So I'm gonna log in so we can see the dashboard of our website. So okay, we're gonna log in. Okay, here we go. We got logged in. So this is a dashboard and a welcome screen of a website backend. So you can just choose whatever you want to see on the dashboard by going over here. View performs, master insights at a glance means like what have you recently published or what are pages you got and everything. But I don't need to remove them because I have set up it for my own. So you can just navigate for help from here and see what is the documentation for dashboard and support, navigation, layout and content. They will tell you everything, but I'm telling you in this video what is WordPress and what it is like. So let me explain you, let me define you the some history of WordPress. WordPress is a free and open source content management system which is written in PHP. CMS, it's also a content management system, is also called as CMS. So there are many features it includes, like plugin installation and theme installation. You can increase the functionality of your website by installing a plugin into your website. And WordPress was originally created for blog publishing, but by the time it evolved for many web contents too, like online stores, learning management, or you can say grocery store or restaurant, or many types of websites you can build on the WordPress, and it's easy to use and easy to update and easy to manage. So let's take a look at this. So after the dashboard we got updates tab, so we are going to navigate into that. So it shows all the updates you got. So my plugins are all up to date and my theme is not updated, so I'm not gonna update it, but it's fine for me. And we can see this is a Jetpack plugin which helps increase your website optimization. So I'll explain this to you later. So we're gonna on WordPress basics only. So you can see the posts. So all the posts, it will show all the posts we have posted on our website, but I haven't posted any because I am this my website is not blog publishing. So my website is a web designing and web development website, and you can check out. So you can add new by going over here, and you can just add new post if you want, but I don't want to add new by going add a title. And you can just use DV builder because my theme is DV, so I got a DV builder too with it. So, and you can use a default editor too. So preview it before publishing and then publish it. It's very easy to use. Then we go into media. So it shows all the media we got, all the videos and photos we got for our website and which we have uploaded on our backend. So it will show you all the media, and you can upload it by going over here, add new, and upload files from your computer. So I'm not gonna upload anything because it takes space, and I don't want to have more. I don't have that much space on my web. So okay, we got over here pages. So it will show you all the pages you have for your website. Like I got about us, card, checkout, contact us, and all the pages I got from my website. And you can add new by going over here, which is very easy and simple, like the post one. So you can add the title, new, anything you want. So, and you can just write your content using a Divi builder or default editor and then preview it and publish it. It's very easy, I think, you know. So in comment section we got comments, which is, you know, people commented on your website, on which post and how they commented. So you can approve them by going over here, or unapprove them. You can edit them, you can mark them as spam, or you can just delete them. So my website is not a blog publishing, as I told you before, so I don't have a comment system, so I don't use this feature of this. So we can create projects by going over here, and we can show them on our website, and by going over add new, it's like the same, add new. So it's also the type of post, which is project, and you can name it and you can add the content using the two editors which I got. And maybe in your case there would be another editor if you have it installed by plugin or anything you want. So, and this is WooCommerce, which is for online stores. And products, analytics is, you know, it's Google Analytics, which is like, you know, which comes with WooCommerce. So these are all plugins. This section is of all plugins which is installed. So I'm going to jump on appearance, which is themes. So my theme is Divi, so you can change the theme and upload the theme by going add new. And this WordPress directory got many free themes for you, and you can just install by going install and activate them and just put in your. It shows only some on the one page, so there are many, you can install them, but I have installed it from this. So you can upload also in a zip format. In a zip format you can upload a theme. You can choose a file of zip format and install it. So I have done that. So we're gonna go on customize. Customizing is you know, we can preview our website at the one hand, and one hand we can just make changes to it, like, you know, journal settings, our site identity, which is favicon, and I got it there. So I'm not gonna change it. Layout settings, it's depend on you what you do with it, and you just have to, you know, make you know, you have to try things many times for you, because everyone gets a different website for himself or herself. So I recommend you to mingle with it and play with it many times, so that you better understand this, what is this, all things. So you can go on homepage settings, and you can put a homepage for your website by going over here. There are many pages. These will show all your pages, so I'm not gonna change anything. So okay, I'm gonna leave this, and we will navigate on the next thing, which is widgets. So let's see widgets too. So these are the widgets which you can means you can create them, or this is actually the thing of theme, means if whatever theme you got, the widgets will be according to that. So if you create a widget, maybe it can conflict with a theme, as you know, if you name them as your theme widgets, then it can conflict with your themes widget. So let's move on to the next thing, which is menus. So this is the main menu of our website, which is this one. So I have put it accordingly, sub items and all the things. So we can just define as secondary menu or footer menu too, but I don't need that, and I want to have a primary menu only. So you can add many things in this. You can add posts too, or products, or custom links in the menu, and anything you want. So theme editor and background is also the same thing as customize. which was like previewing your theme at the one hand and one hand making changes to it. So let's go on plugins. So here we go, we got the plugins page. So this will show all of your plugins installed in your site backend in your site. So there are many plugins I have installed, and you can install them if you want by going in add new and by searching in the WordPress directory. You will get thousands and thousands of plugins here. You can just go here and write like page builder, okay, page builder. So you get many of them. So you got here Elementor page builder, which got 4 million installations, and it shows that it's compatible with the version of WordPress, and it was updated 4 days ago, and got a rating of 5 stars. So I think this one is good, and you can just take a look at that, and you can just install whatever you want, and you can upload to like a theme. So your plugin should have a format of zip, and you can choose a file and install it. And if you want to have the plugins from WordPress website, which is wordpress.org/plugins, so you can go there and choose any of the plugins you want and download it. So you'll get a zip file of that, and you have to upload it over here and install it, so and activate it, of course. So and we got one feature, which is plugin editor. So you appear to be making direct edits to your plugin in the WordPress dashboard. We recommend that you don't. Adding plugins directly may introduce competitive WordPress items. Okay, so as you can read this, because we are making addition to our adding or subtracting something from our plugin, whereas not every man know that what it is and who know the programming language. And of course you can put a bug in this and have something wrong in here. So I don't really recommend you to go in here. Plugin editor is not for everyone, it's for those who know the language, programming language. And you can see the users over here. I got one user only, and you can add new, of course, by going over here. So you can add new, fill all the required details and add new users. So you can preview your profile over here, and you can just choose the theme of your site backend. There are many which you can choose, but mine is default, so I'm not gonna change it. And you can put on your old website name and Instagram profile or Facebook profile and connect with the WordPress website. So your profile picture and SEO settings and everything you want. So I haven't done this, and you can do if you want. So we go in tools, we go import, okay. So we can import any tool we want, like Blogger or Bloggerroll or categories tags in Converter, and install it. And you can just read the details of them and just know how they function and what are their functionalities. And you can export to, like, you can export all content of your website. You can export only posts, you can export only pages, you can export anything you want, orders, refunds, coupons. This will come only when you install any plugin that is compatible, makes your website online store. These things like orders, refunds, coupons, all these things. Okay, so you can download the export file by clicking or choosing them. So you have to choose a date from when to when, and you can download it. So we got a site health tool too. Let's check it out. So it's loading. Okay, so it will tell you what is the info and what is the health status of your site. So it will show you what are the issues and what are the improvements you can do and many things, and it will show you the things that your website passed and everything. So I might got my website got two critical issues. My website is not firstly connected to Jetpack, which is a plugin, and I haven't configured Google Analytics yet. So you can do this. And so 3 recommended improvements. So it's saying that you can improve your website by having a default theme, but I don't want this. So, and it's saying e-commerce data is not being tracked, and all these things you can just do by your own. So we can export the personal data to, means our personal data by having we can export our personal data by sending a request to someone or username or email who is a user to this means website. We can also erase a personal data by clicking the same and entering an email address and send a request. So we got in settings, our dashboard settings. So in settings we get the site title and the tagline for the site to explain what site is about, and WordPress address, site URL, administration and email address, membership, anyone can register. And in this, in journal and writing is you can just write an email, or you can configure email by going over here, and if someone mail you can mail from here. So and in discussion you can just check it out and you can have it. It's like you can just check them out. It's really cool thing. You can check out settings by yourselves. It's very easy. So in permalinks is these things. Permalinks is these things, which is you can say as slug or URL, anything you want. So you can have plain permalinks, so by day and name, month and name, numeric, post name. Mine is post name. It's the most common one which is used. So I recommend you to let it be default what it is and don't touch it if you want. And if you want to touch it, then maybe you can, sure. And you can privacy policy page. So you can have you can just write your privacy policy on your page and it's selected over here. I don't have any page yet for privacy and policy, so no need to worry. Or you can create a new page by clicking over here. So this is SEO. This is also a plugin. So I'm not gonna explain about this. And this is a theme. It's also a plugin for theme. It's also a plugin for Insight, and this is also a plugin. This is also a plugin, and this is also a plugin. These are all plugins. So if you want to know about all these plugins, or you can just go on their website and just checking them out. So thank you very much.